everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Typeform leads to Mailgun account automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. Typeform is a form building software application and Mailgun is an email marketing platform. So the idea here is that you are a business owner and you have created a form using Typeform. Now you want that whenever a customer fills that particular form, automatically the details of the customer should be added to your Mailgun mailing list. For that we need to create a connection between Typeform and Mailgun. So to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So in this particular automation, we are using Typeform. So Typeform, in place of Typeform, we can also use Paperform, Google Forms, Jot Forms or any other form building software application. And even in place of Mailgun, we can also use MailChimp, MailerLite, MailerCloud or any other email marketing platform. So let us learn the integration process on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. So come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add Typeform leads to Mailgun. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. So in this particular use case, we want to add the Typeform leads to Mailgun account and that too automatically. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Typeform. In the trigger event, we have to select new entry. Click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Typeform. Now it is asking Ashira, Pabbly Connect wants access to your Typeform account. So let's click on accept and give away the access. Authorization successful. And now the Typeform account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Typeform account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Typeform account. Now here we have to select the form name. So I'll just take you to my Typeform account. So here I have already created some forms, that is contact form and the registration form. So I'm just going to use registration form for this particular integration where I have just 0 responses over here. So let us select the form name, that is registration form over here. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and now here it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I have already opened the form in a new tab. So if you want to access the form, just open this particular registration form. And here I have taken the basic fields for the first name, last name, email address and the contact number. If you want to add some more elements or some more fields to this particular form, by clicking on this plus sign, you can add the questions or the fields as per your requirement. And when you want to share this particular form with your customers or if you want to embed it on a website, come to this share button. And here you can find the link of this particular form. So by using this particular link, you can share the form with your customers to get the form filled. So I have already opened the form here. Let us fill in the form on the name of a customer. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com, and let's add the contact number. Okay, and click on submit. Thanks for completing this type form. So the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here when we scroll down, we can find the responses received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. Okay, I'll just scroll down and at last we can find the name, email address. Yes, here we can find the first name of the customer. Here we can find the last name, email address and contact number. So now we wanted using these details of the customer, automatically a new subscriber or a new mailing list member should get added to our Mailgun account. So come to this action window and here in the choose application, let us find Mailgun. In the action event, we have to select new mailing list member. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API, private API key, Mailgun host and domain name. So here I have to just type API, okay, as it is given, enter API as it is and your private API key. For private API key, we have to get it from the account settings, security in Mailgun. So I'll just take you to my Mailgun account. So this is my Mailgun dashboard. Here we will be coming to the account and here we can find the API keys. Click on it. And here we can find the private API key. So I'm just going to copy this private API key from here. Let us select it, copy it, and we have to paste it over here in Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the Mailgun host. So as we are in US region, I'm just going to type the same Mailgun host over here. That is api.mailgun.net. So if you are into the EU region, you have to select this particular Mailgun host. You have to select it as per your region. Here we have to give the domain name. For that, I'll just go to the Mailgun account once again. Here I'll be coming to the sending option and I'll just open this particular domain. From here, I'm just going to copy the domain name. Okay. And we have to paste the same domain name over here. Okay. And let's click on save. And now the Mailgun account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Mailgun account also. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Mailgun account also. Now here we have to select the list name. So I have already created some list in my Mailgun account. Here in the sending itself, we can find the mailing list option. Let's open it. So if you want to create a new mailing list, by clicking on this create mailing list button, you can create a new list. Or else I have already created a list named Typeform leads. So I'm just going to open this particular mailing list. And here in the list, you can find 0 recipients. I don't have any recipients in this particular list. So now I want all the Typeform leads to be captured as recipients over here in this particular mailing list. So we have to select the same list name over here. I'm just going to refresh it for the new items. And here we are going to select the list name as Typeform leads. Now here it is asking for the email address and the name of the customer. So we have already got the customer details through the Typeform form submission. So we are going to map all these details now. Let us map the email address from Typeform. That was adamsmith123@gmail.com. And here we have to select update. Yes to update member if present. No to raise an error in case of duplicate member. So I'm just selecting it as no. You can select it as per your requirement. And here we have to map the member name. So the member name was Adam as well as the last name, that was Smith. Okay, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and in the message we can find mailing list member has been created. So let us check our mailing list of Mailgun account. Here we have to just refresh it. And I'll scroll down and here we can find that Adam Smith is added as a new recipient to our mailing list. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that I have to go to the Typeform registration form once again and I am going to just fill up the form on the name of some other customer. So I'm just going to refresh this form once again. And let us fill in the form. This time I'm just going to give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com, and let's add the contact number. Okay, and submit it. Thanks for completing this type form. So the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Mailgun mailing list. We have to refresh it once again. Okay, let's scroll down, and here we can find that Shikha Arya is added to this particular mailing list as a new recipient. And in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Typeform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using the details of the customer, automatically the same customer was added as a new mailing list member or a new subscriber to your Mailgun contact list. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Typeform and Mailgun using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.